It's your boy Cato once again. Just like the third or fourth freestyle I did today is nothing. With my little brother Isaiah again, like always, you know what I'm saying? If I ain't with him, I'm with the crew, you know what I'm saying? J Trap, you know what I'm saying? But we about to get in on Make It Rain, you know. You know what I'm saying? So we got woo! Let's get it. I make it rain on you, female, you know what I'm saying? Like you gotta go to school, you know what I'm saying? When you get in high school, you gonna make it rain on you too. With a lot of money. Woo! Make it rain. Go ahead and do your dance. Girls getting mad cause they think they got some booty pants. Make it look hella sexy. Yes, I came out the cocoon with the freshest swag in the bed. Yes, I'm going to school in the club. Poppin' dance, homeboy, you know your girl thing. Pass it like you know the dance, homeboy, you know I love the thing. Think I'm been up over the track. Everywhere I go, I see the Rex, and I see the Rex by the cable box. What you talking about, boy? Like, ooh, you dread head people say that's very fancy. Yes, I get in your girl pants, that's candy. Talking about me, you say your girl is nasty. Pass around the cool, you can call her Pansy. In the crib, drink the bottle, Coke Lane, nigga, what you follow? Yes, I'm drinking full throttle, I'm energized like a bunny hollow. Come on, we can do the D-hop like bruh, say they would. Call me Waka Flocka Flame, cause you know I'm so good. I get in with the crew. Shout out to them booty dudes. Shout out to them good, but the booty shorts are what it do. Yeah, the bang all in the south, I punch it in the mouth, so you turn about. When I keep it going, what's stand about, what's stand about to blow you out, woo, about to blow you up. Damn, that's 21, what you wanna go, son? Talk about me, good to go. One, you can't even afford one. Come to the mall and you know how I ball. I'm trying to go fast, but I can't go fast. I'm running on E. I think I need some more gas. BP. Oh, where's that TV? Homeboy, I'm like TV. Big one Z in white and black. Homeboy, you can't even sit on my lap. I'm not dead. You need to go back to the sideway with the byway. Go my way or the highway. To the going like the sideway in the pathway. Gradually, you know where the back way. I don't know what to do, but I walk my pathway. Who are you? I'm trying to buy out, nigga. What to do? Trying to see what the stack, nigga. What the crew? Where you see that? I was too low, too quick, and you go down, do that. What they do that? They do that in the south of the false flag. Nigga, did they do that? Hit you with the blue rag. Homeboy went two rags, so you know that blue rag with the red bag with the head back. Call me Lil Wayne with the hair back with the band bag. What you talking about? You don't know what to do, cause I'm going same just like my name was Blue, but I'm going blue, so you know I'm going same. Then I got my blame, got smoke in the way. Whoa. You know what it is when I mess you up with a quick do a big. Homeboy do the big, call me Big Sean, cause they walk on with the blue home run by and I'm going too fast. Can't think of my rhyme. It's a freestyle, going real hammer, going hammer with a hand. Call me Slammer and a slammer. Whoa, the slammer with a deal. Homeboy, I already know you going to hell, so if I know that you gon' smell. When the graveyard, everybody yell, they can yell. And your mama praying, saying that you dancing, that my boy go to heaven. Why you blessing? So when you confessing, it wasn't really expecting. Whoa, what do you read? Confess to the who just be. Homeboy, I'm not gonna even go Christianary. Christianary, in the dictionary, got my primary, my secondary, that's a handgun. Nigga get mad with a handgun and I knock you out and they touch your man son. What it is, you know what it is. Homeboy, yes, I'm super handsome. You say you like the kid, well, I think you need to dance something with the full clip, with the full clip, knocking everybody out with the full clip, with the full. There you go. Woo! I'ma slow it down for you people that don't know me. C-A-T-O on your face, that Cato in Missouri. In the zone, trick like the Briscoe Club was right here. With that gray and red on my hair, call it by here. And I don't know what it is, I flash in the dark, call me camouflage. And I glow in the dark, you can call me Elliot. Full of rap, I don't know what I do, but I know I'm about to rap. No, I'm not no Illuminati, call me two talkers over my body, huh?